How to uninstall BlueStacks completely on your PC or laptop. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can uninstall the BlueStacks completely on your PC or laptop. So for that you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to navigate to your start button and tap on the setting here. Once you are on your setting, you have to go for your apps. So here on your apps and feature, you can find the BlueStacks. You have to just go and tap on the BlueStacks here. So once you have tapped on the BlueStack, you can see the uninstall button, tap on the uninstall button and go for the uninstall here. Tap on the yes option. So the BlueStack is uninstalling on my PC here, and after that you will be successfully uninstall your BlueStack from your PC or laptop. So this is the simple step how you can uninstall the BlueStack from your PC or laptop. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.